Hey guys, Captain Keto here. How's it going? Sorry about the little delay in videos. Been a little tired, been a little busy. Keeping up on the keto going though, man. It's been awesome. So, to wrap up from last time we talked, I said that don't give up. Don't get discouraged. If you do get discouraged, just don't give up. That was the motto and the message from last time. I'm going to go ahead and reiterate that. I didn't give up. I kind of got discouraged, but I got myself out of it quick, and I'm really glad I did. I'm not going to share with what I know, because the weigh-in's on Tuesday. You're going to see the results from me not giving up and me sticking to it. It's always important to know that you're not always going to get exactly what you want when you want it. So, there's no point in just giving up. Just keep pushing forward. Keep going. Eventually, something will give, and it'll work for you. If it be the keto, if it be online business, if it be anything in life, just keep going. It will get better, guys. So, mornings, meal plan wise, I'm not really changing it up now. I tried the porridge that one day. I told you guys I couldn't stand it. I honestly couldn't. I tried it with everything I had. I tried seasoning it. I tried, anything I could do to it, and it just wasn't working for me. So I'm going to stick to the Beggs and Aiken. Wow, Beggs and Aiken. Bacon and eggs. And, yeah. I don't think I'll ever get tired of that. Lunches lately, I work late, so I've been eating lunch with the higher higher carbs instead of dinner time. Yes, I still eat dinner, but I eat very light when I'm working. Last 2 days I haven't been working, so I have eaten dinner. Last 2 nights, last night I made a keto style meatloaf. Phenomenal. It was awesome, guys. Not just because I made it, but the recipe itself was awesome. And then tonight I made keto style chicken green chili chicken chimichangas. Sorry guys, tonight's just not a night for talking. But yeah, so it was a really nice night. Tonight we had my birthday cake. I know it was a little off since my birthday was January 10th, but I was still in the second week of keto. I really wanted to wait till I get out of those 2 weeks. And then I started eating. I haven't eaten a lot by any means. I'm not touching a lot of fat bombs, stuff like that. But it is my birthday cake, so I did have it. It was a dark chocolate cherry brownie cake or something like that. My daughter made it for me, and my mother-in-law helped. Man, it was good. Oh my god. Awesome. It was more like a brownie. It was really thin, so it wasn't like a thick cake. We took some of the puree of the cherries. It makes it into puree. They pureed the cherries and put it in the batter. Well, there was some left in the measuring cup, so we poured that into a bowl, melted some more chocolate, stirred it up, and put it as like a little frosting on the top. Awesome, guys. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Not a thing, of course, I'd eat every day, but it was a very good once-in-a-while treat. So, alright, guys, that's what's going on so far. We're getting close to the next weigh, and I can't wait to do that. I'm going to try to upload at least one more time before then. If I don't, I'm sorry. But like I said, I am getting busy. I'm at least trying to get once a week out for you guys. Twice a week with you if you count the weigh-in, because I don't do a long weigh-in video. This one's not going to be very long either. Alright, guys, I hope you have a wonderful night. Please, 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 if you're on YouTube, go to Facebook. Go to the Facebook group, It's a Keto Life for Us, and join it. It's an open group. It's not closed, so you should be able to join and enter right away. Please give a thumbs up to any posts you're seeing, including this one on Facebook or on YouTube. Please click the subscribe link and click the bell notification so you know when my new videos come out and when they come out. Also, if you're on Facebook, please go over to YouTube, subscribe to Captain Keto, and also hit the thumbs up, show some love, subscribe, bell notification, all that good stuff. Please, either platform, leave a comment below. Let me know how your night's doing. I'm going to try something new. I saw this on one of the other videos that I'm learning from, how to do videos and things like that, and I think I'm going to try it out. So, I've got a question of the day, guys. Question of the day is, what did you have for dinner tonight? Please leave it in the comments below. Let me know. Let me know what you would like to hear next. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.